Hey everyone! Welcome back to Winnerpak's Jewelry Packaging Presentation channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys that our new jewelry displays which popular selling to the market. I'm sure you would like them. Jewelry displays surface materials are mainly by suede, velvet, leatherette, microfiber leatherette, or linen. And the frames of body usually by solid wood, MDF, bamboo, acrylic, or stainless steel. Now I would like to introduce the first style of jewelry displays, which is by solid wood and leatherette materials. If your jewelry are vintage and classic designs, then can consider these collection. The second styles are most popular to European customers. Stainless steel frames with gold-painted, microfiber leatherette or suede velvet for jewelry holder surface. If your jewelry styles are modern and stylish designs, then they are your good choice. There are also kinds of jewelry stands and holders suitable using for your earrings, rings, pendants, bracelets, bangles, chains, and necklaces display. More styles, just visit our websites. Much welcome your visit to our workshop and factory. I'm glad to be your tour guide. Or just send an email to our service team. Winnerpak@winnerpak.com. Or chat online by WhatsApp or WeChat, 86 to 189 2273 8146. See you soon.